Hello friends, I'm Carla and I'm going to show you how you can make your own Storytime bag or box to bring to library storytime. Your caregiver can help you with this, and next time you come to virtual storytime you can bring your Storytime bag or box of props. So what you'll need is a bag, and you can use a plastic bag, a paper bag, or you can use a box. And I recommend an empty Kleenex box because they're pretty and also they're good for little hands. At Storytime we often use props. A lot of times we'll use scarves in our songs and we'll dance with our scarves. So if you have a scarf at home, you can put that in your Storytime bag. Or you could use a bandana, or just any piece of cloth will do. You can dance with your cloth. So let's put that box. Another thing we use a lot at Storytime are shakers. And we have shaker eggs at the library. And you might have one of these eggs, and you can make your own shaker egg if you open it up, and you can fill it with, I filled mine with Cheerios. So if you spill it, it's not that big of a deal, but you can close it and tape it up, and now you have a nice shaker egg. If you don't have an egg, you can use a plastic container, and again I just put some Cheerios in there and then makes a nice sound. And any old container will do. What else do we use at Storytime? Sometimes we'll use rhythm sticks. And a nice substitute for a rhythm stick are spoons. So you can get a couple of spoons. Most people have those at home. You can do rhythms. You could even, with your container, make a drum. So we'll put those in our Storytime bag. I like to have something soft at Storytime, and that could be a small stuffed animal. It could be cotton balls, or if you don't have a stuffed animal, you could even use socks. You can take your socks, stuff them together, and now you have something soft that you could put on your head or on your shoulders or on your tummy. So find a small stuffed animal or something soft to put in your Storytime bag. You can even decorate your bag. Put all that stuff in there. Got our spoons. Got our shaker. And you can bring that with you to the next Storytime. I'll see you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.